Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen T-Roc Life 2.0 TDI M6F 116HP 5 door in stunning blue. This versatile estate Jeep is jam-packed with features like cruise control, Bluetooth, and lane departure warning for a safe and comfortable drive. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, your security is top-notch. Enjoy luxury touches like air conditioning, rear heater controls, and a MediaMP3 Player. Plus, with a chrome package and roof rails, you'll turn heads wherever you go. This vehicle has a full multi-point health and safety check, warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer spec. Don't miss out on this fantastic VW. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.